Back in June, I made a super clean video and then we partnered up for a giveaway to give some products to you. I recently just used super clean products again to super clean my Mustang's engine bay. This video just so happened to be the 500th video for the channel. And now, it is time for another super clean giveaway. We are giving away a bottle of original super clean and an aerosol can of super clean. And here's what you need to do to be entered. All you need to do is be in the 48 states and leave a comment on the video. Examples of comments to leave are, what do you use super clean for? And would you like to win free products? I will reply back to your comment with a number. The deadline will be Sunday, December 15th at 6 p.m. One of the assigned numbers will be picked at random and announced Monday, December 16th. Comment and good luck.